The new income tax bill is to be tabled in the parliament as per reports. The bill has 536 sections and 23 chapters running into 622 pages. The bill, once enacted, will replace the 6-decade-old Income Tax Act, which became bulkier and complex with amendments over the years. Experts feel that the move will simplify tax laws. The proposed new tax bill replaces the term previous year to tax year, and the concept of the assessment years has been removed. As of now, for income earned in the previous year, that is in FY24, the tax is paid in the assessment year. Now, this concept will be removed to simplify the act. So, the year will begin with the date of setting up of the business or profession. In case of a new source of income coming into existence in the middle of the year, the tax year will begin from that date and the tax year will end when the financial year ends. The bill also proposes to count virtual digital assets uncovered during searches as undisclosed income. The number of pages have been reduced from 880 to 622 and number of chapters were retained at 23 and it has 16 schedules. The bill has kept the existing income tax return filing date unchanged. As for the proposed law, clearer tax treatment on stock options or ESOPs has been included to reduce the tax disputes and has judicial pronouncements of last 60 years or more for more clarity. The CBDT has been empowered to introduce tax schemes independently, reducing bureaucratic delays and making tax governance more dynamic. Now, the CBDT can frame tax administration rules, introduce compliance measures, and enforce digital tax monitoring systems without requiring frequent legislative amendments. This is as per the clause 533. As per experts, all TDS related sections have been brought together under a single clause with simple table to make it very clear and understandable for a taxpayer. As per experts, the bill is set to reduce 50% of the current provisions, marks a significant step towards simplifying the tax laws. The bill may come into effect from April 1, 2026 is what the experts are saying. Now, how was this bill created? Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman had said that this bill, the new tax bill, will be introduced in the budget session in her budget speech itself. It was recently approved by the cabinet also. So the CBDT had set up an internal committee to oversee the review and make the act more concise and clear to understand for the taxpayers. There were also 22 specialized committees established to review various aspects of the Income Tax Act. Public inputs were also taken and suggestions were also invited in 4 categories: simplification of language, litigation reduction, compliance reduction, and redundant provisions. The tax department had received 6,500 suggestions from stakeholders on review of the Act. For more such news and views, keep watching ET Now.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.